Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2024, and we're diving into Lockheed Martin's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Lockheed Martin, a leader in defense technology, has just released its Q3 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Lockheed Martin reported net sales of $17.1 billion for the third quarter, a slight increase from last year. John, how does this impact their profitability?
While the net sales saw a modest 1% increase, the company maintained strong profitability with net earnings of $1.6 billion, translating to an EPS of 6.80 cents. This is a slight improvement from the previous year's EPS of $6.73, indicating effective cost management and operational efficiency.
And what about their cash flow?
Lockheed Martin generated $2.1 billion in free cash flow, which is a solid performance despite a decrease from last year's $2.5 billion. This reflects their strategic focus on cash flow generation, which is crucial for shareholder returns.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Lockheed Martin has been active in returning value to shareholders. Can you elaborate on their recent initiatives?
Absolutely. The company returned $1.6 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. They've also increased their quarterly dividend by 5% to $3.30 per share, marking the 22nd consecutive year of increases. This demonstrates their commitment to rewarding shareholders.
And how are they progressing with their strategic initiatives?
Lockheed Martin is advancing its 21st century security strategy, focusing on production scalability, digital transformation, and international partnerships. Their record backlog of over $165 billion underscores the demand for their cutting-edge solutions.
Operational challenges and risks. Despite the positive outlook, there are some operational challenges, particularly with the F-35 program. Can you explain?
Yes, the F-35 Lots 18-19 contract negotiations with the U.S. government have led to delays, impacting revenue recognition by $400 million and cash flow by $450 million. Additionally, there's a potential $2 billion termination liability, which poses a significant risk if not resolved soon.
How might this affect their financial outlook?
Lockheed Martin expects to resolve these issues in Q4, which should mitigate the impact. However, until then, these challenges could affect their operations and financial condition.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Lockheed Martin has raised its financial outlook for 2024. What are the key highlights?
The company has increased its sales outlook to approximately $71.25 billion and expects an EPS of 26.65 cents. They're also projecting a free cash flow of $6.2 billion, reflecting confidence in their strategic investments and operational execution.
And what are the main drivers behind this optimistic guidance?
Key drivers include their robust backlog, ongoing investments in technology and international expansion, and a focus on operational efficiencies. These factors position Lockheed Martin well for sustained growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Lockheed Martin has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2024, with strong sales, profitability, and shareholder returns. Despite some operational challenges, their strategic initiatives and increased financial outlook paint a positive picture for the future.
Indeed, Lockheed Martin's focus on innovation and strategic growth initiatives continues to drive their success. Investors should keep an eye on the resolution of the F-35 contract issues, which could further enhance their financial performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Lockheed Martin's performance in the comments below.